Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will explain the Samsung trending features. You never miss it. Samsung hidden settings for your latest Samsung devices. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you have any latest Samsung device running the One UI 7 or One UI 8 beta, you can apply this setting. In the several devices or in your mom or father device, you can see the several application without any organization on your home screen. So by you can organize application like this one by one on your device. So it's quite taking time. So if you want to organize all application with one setting only using this, just tap and hold the application you want upon a select option. Now select the another application you want to organize. Now long press the any application like this, and you can move it like anywhere and it will automatically organize like this. If you can't see this organize like this, make sure disable the home up application by tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Upon the settings, scroll down at the end, tap on a more customization. Here you can see the home up settings. Make sure to go on this option on your device. Now go to home screen and it will automatically organize on the home screen like this on your device. So quite easy. And next feature is the if you want to sometimes automatically when we use the home screen automatically open application automatically move the position like here you can see add application to widget word more like this on the device. So if you want to change it or if you don't want to customize or change the home screen layout, just tap and hold it on your device upon the setting gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now here scroll down and you can find the option lock home screen layout, prevent the items on the home screen from being removed or a reposition. So after enable this feature, you can't change in your home screen. Even you can't change the position or remove application from the home screen. Like when you try to move it home screen, you can see the home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it using the setting. So you can't change any position on the home screen on your device. So this is the very helpful setting. If you want to get back default, again tap and hold the blank space, go to settings and toggle on the lock home screen layout. Now go to home screen and you can long press it and move it anywhere on your device. Next one is the new fingerprint animation effect available on the lock star. Now here you can, when we unlock my device, you can see the new fingerprint lock animation like this. So if you want to get this type of lock fingerprint animation on your Samsung device, make sure the latest update install on the Lockstar application or Lockstar module on a Good Lock application. So first of all, open the Good Lock application on your device. You can download it from the Play Store or a Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. After that, tap on the Good Lock application and find the Lockstar module on your device. Tap on the eye icon. Make sure your Lockstar is updated with the latest version. Tap on About. Make sure that this version is installed on your device 7.0.01.5 version to set this new fingerprint animation effect on your device. After update it, open the Lockstar application on your device and you can see the fingerprint icon here on your Samsung device. So tap on the fingerprint icon. Now you can see the new fingerprint animation effect like this. This is we set on my device S25 Ultra. Here you can see the new fingerprint. So you can this see the list of 5 different available fingerprint on your latest Samsung S25 Ultra in the Good Lock module called the Lockstar. So here we select this fingerprint now like this. Tap on a done at the top right corner. Now changes apply to lock screen. Now lock your phone. When you unlock my S25 Ultra, you can see this new effect. So quite easy to change the new fingerprint animation effect in a Samsung S25 Ultra or latest Samsung device using the Lockstar module. And next one is the app keep open. When we in daily routine we use multiple applications several times, so you can see all the application in the recent application list. But sometimes when we by mistake tap the close all, it will close the all application on a device. So you can lock this specific application you want to regularly use. Like here we open this YouTube application on my device. Now swipe up, open the recent application, tap on app icon, and tap on a keep open option. So when you tap on a keep open, now anytime when you open any application or any application or any function on your device, like open the recent application. Now you can see three application, tap on a close all, but when you open you can't see. This is the until you can see the keep open. So you can use this feature to open application recent and quickly access from the lock screen or a home screen on your device using this setting. So if you don't want to open this app, just follow the same step. Tap on a, here you can see the lock icon, tap on it to unlock it, and now tap on a close all, and you can't see this recent application. The next one in the last feature is the show or hide the Google Discover page. So if you are any tech user and want to know the latest tech news without any search bar or without open Google Chrome or any other browser, just swipe on the right side of the screen and you can see the list of top tech website, or you follow the website you want the latest news on your device, like this on your device. Several users get irritated using this setting, so you several users turn off it by go to settings on the device. Here you can find the add media page to home screen. Here you can set the Samsung preview also if you want. Now toggle off this option. Now when you swipe the right from the screen, you can't see the Google Discover page on your device. So if you want to get the latest news about technology or your favorite topics, you can use this Google Discover page. Just tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on the setting gear icon. Scroll down to go on the option add media page to home screen. Now swipe the right from the screen, home screen, and you can see the latest tech news or latest news you want on your home screen. That's it. This is the all new on latest trending features on your latest Samsung devices. That's it. Which one is your favorite feature? Please comment in the below box. If you like it, share it.